The third one is the hardest for you to believe, and with that I'll close. It's not that technical, dear ones. It just isn't. If you go to the atom and what you know about the atom, what do you find? And the answer is polarity. Positive and negative. Everything is polarized. And when you talk to the chemists, everything is polarized. You take a look at the way the human bodies work and the chemistry and muscles and all of that. And it's all about positive and negative. If you talk to a physicist and you say, tell me about the 4 laws of physics that you claim right now that are working, they will say, well, here they are. And each one of them has 2 sides, a strong and a weak force, positive and negative. Interesting, isn't it? All the way up to the laws. You've got 2 elements, just 2, positive and negative. Everything is polarized. That's what finally is going to give you that electricity, dear ones. By the way, that's also what's going to desalinate your water. But now the big one. Do you understand and realize what happens when you have something I'll call mass? Whether it's the mass of an object or the mass of a planet or the mass of an asteroid, in physics the mass is computed, and the next thing that is computed is the gravity that it will then produce. Did it ever occur to you that gravity is only one polarity? If you could reverse that polarity by designing certain things within the mass, you'd have the minus side. And that, dear one, will repel gravity. It's not anti-gravity. It's not anti-anything. It's the natural counterpoint that physics understands, even within the laws of physics. Did it ever occur to you that gravity was a little one-sided? It's only one thing. It pulls. It never pushes. How would you like to make a push? And that's coming. What if I told you that that particular attribute was even known by Tesla? And he couldn't make it work because the computers were not that fine. Things kept flying off the bench. He was so frustrated because he saw it. He saw it.